Hey everyone! So here is my update video of all the Natural Republic items I got last weekend when I went to New York. I got this XOK group standee, and then Natural Republic XOK mask. It came with 6 XOM photo cards, and then this Hello Natural Republic mask, and this mist spray. It smells so good. It's, let's see, bamboo mist, and a Tanyo standee, and also I got this large promotion poster. I think if you buy over $20, you can get a free poster. Yep. So that's it. Bye guys. Support EXO. Bye.